I'm telling you, I'm not trying to be on no funny stuff. It's just confusing. I genuinely want to say this. Trading is easy. Trading is easy. Trading is easy. Because most people use a lot of terminology they don't understand. Then you got people who want to say trading is easy. Trading is easy. Listen, trading is really easy. But first, you got people that use terminology. Most people can't understand it. It's very simple. What you gotta do is we do drop five and it's gonna go off. It's so simple that what people broken rules and terminology they're gonna get. Really just follow the trend and I'm sure they'll make money. You won't be able to make money, I promise. Trading is very easy. Just follow the trend, follow the rules, stay disciplined. It's really easy. That's what I'm saying. All right. Hey, I want to talk to you, bro. The only way to escape this pop, one of three ways. If you him, you can do all three. For most people, you only gonna do one. You either acquire skill online, digital. Week three, one of so weeks. One thing I think everyone should ask me, bro. I want to tell y'all trading is easy. No, really, trading is super easy. Super, super, super easy. Why? Because all you have to do is follow the trend because the trend is your friend. Stop breaking rules and be patient because a lot of people use terminologies that's just very simple and they just trying to confuse the game. Trading, all you do is buy when it's low and then hold and then you make your profit. Trading is that simple. It just we use terms to kind of confuse people. I don't really get it because once you figure it out, you're gonna see how simple it is. Follow the YouTube Vaughn Goes. We go live every 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern, Monday through Thursday. All right. Now, if it could do one more drop to at least like right here. Bitcoin, if you want to buy like long term, you could do like this. Like it's doing the same thing it did here. Came up, came up a little bit, dropped. Like I said, Bitcoin looking real nice. Bitcoin looking real nice. Like stop being scared. Just think of the long term. Like what must like it's just dipping and now it's time to get some money. That's all it is. It dipped. Now it's time to get some money. Now it's time to get some money. Yeah, that's it. It's time to get some money. It's time to get some money. So first I want to talk about we just got over a couple of things. Like Ethereum, all of this is just down. Like, oh, like look at this. If it come back down here, that's lovely, super lovely. So now, let's talk about 30 today. So 30, it broke out. Let's just delete all this. So 30, we gotta start deleting stuff. So 30, you see as the day broke out here, broke out here. Anything that come above goes up, comes above, goes up, comes above, goes up. We're gonna delete this because this is the new area. You'll probably want to buy them. Oh, this is new areas. For the hour, you can see breakage of here. It might just keep breaking up. That's why I'm kind of mad of. Nah, like look at this. It's so much spots you can't enter. I was trying to enter today right here. Uh, would I enter this? Probably not. Because this is a low. This was very low, but it's telling me it doesn't want to go down. It's feeling a break. It's feeling a break. So above here, if it could come back and smash up above here, that's another buy, bro. That's gonna be like crazy buys. If it could just go like this, whoop, bah, by tomorrow, ooh, like let it go down 930, come above here, buy, it could be done. I could be done with step two. I could be done with step two. I could be done with step two. That easy. That easy. I could be done that easy. But bro, I was trying to enter here, bro. I swear I was trying to enter here today, right here. So boom, as you can see, this is the hour break though. So I've seen the hour break. Really, you can say this is the hour break, but it kind of never came back down. So we could say boom, even on like a long term. So it comes here, it comes all the way down, low, high, and then it breaks. So it breaks here, comes above, and it can come back. And it's made new highs. So and like I said, overall it's a upper trend. So like I said, just follow the trend. like, just follow the trend, bro. And I swear, just let the market drop. Don't try to sell with it. Don't try to do any of that confusing stuff. If you just let it drop and wait, because you know we're in bullish, we're good. Like, just wait. Like, in all honesty, most people just don't like being patient. Like, the market gives you money. Like, it gives you money. It just tell you, hey, I can't do this every day. Even as a scalper, you should still wait. I don't scalp per se, but even as a scalper, just wait for your opportunity. Just wait for your opportunity. It's gonna come. Your opportunity is gonna come, like you said. And I know anything above here is here. Is it broke out of structure? You see how I keep breaking structure and breaking structure and breaking structure. So I know to enter from here. Boom. It already broke highs. Look, it broke highs here. Boom. And it doesn't want to make any more lows after 15. Because look, what is this? A higher high. And like I said, sometimes market does kind of manipulate. So, like, in all honesty, look, I'm not trying to be on no funny stuff, because you could have bought up here too. This would probably have been a better buy. But say, so this is the higher highs once it broke. Boom. Uh, you'll want to go to a higher time frame. So boom. This is the high. Yeah, like all right, let's see. So boom. You keep making high. You see how it's making higher highs, higher highs, lower low, higher highs. We wouldn't use this right here because it's not making. It made a low, but it's not making more lows. So you wouldn't even enter as a sell. Like, a market could just take you out. Like, granted, this is the low when it made a new high, but as you see, look, it's not making new lows. It go low, it come up, it doesn't even go low again. So I know to buy. I know to buy because guaranteed somewhere above here, it's a buy. Like, you have to be in all honesty. Like, people will tell you, like, you can't have it to the T. Like, I'm trying to be on all serious. Like, you really can't have it to the T. So like say it's in an upward trend. Like, sell, it comes up, sell. This is the low, boom, it sells. Look, it still didn't break here. It sells off. Boom, it sells, not breaking here. It goes back to the low. All right, boom. This is the low right here. Boom. Yeah, wait. It broke out of this low. You see how it's keep breaking highs, highs, highs. That means this low is not valid no more. But as you can see, it did break lower lows, but it's not making lower, lower, lower. You feel me? And so you would try to wait in an upper trend, like the 4 hour. You want to see it's an upper trend. Let it go down. Let it go down. Let it go down. Let it break to a point where market could go here from here. So, like, basically, what I'm saying is, anytime market goes in here, it usually goes to here. Look, comes here, it comes here. Boom, it breaks here. This is the low though. It still does come here. Like I said, market still comes here. It comes here. Boom, 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 boom. Like, even so, boom, 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 hits here. Then it goes back down. As if it doesn't break, it's gonna go back down. Boom. You don't comes here. Boom, 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 boom. What? Boom. Enter, it made a higher high here. Boom. Made a higher high. Gap filled here. Boom. Boom. Entries in here. Boom. Bam. Uh, what I try to do here, I try to enter off this break of structure here. Boom. It I try to enter, boom, it doesn't break above. What it does, it goes down. So this was just a bad entry. Boom, it hits here. What happens? It hits right back here. I keep telling you, this happens repetitively. So boom, it hits here. I could see price coming back to here because we're in a ranging market, but you can see price doesn't want to make any lows on a higher time frame. Because look, this is where it broke out at. In all honesty, this is the low. I'm not trying to be funny. Like, on a higher time frame, look, higher high, lower low. It's not breaking the low on a higher time frame. This is still in a upper trend. Granted, it's nasty. Like, granted, it's nasty. You might want to just find spots you can eliminating. So you try to come in here and buy. You try to come in here and buy. So anything in here, you try to come because you know it's gonna come here to here. Guaranteed, it's gonna come there. Guaranteed. So you just be patient. Like you really honestly just be patient. So what we find here? Look, we could have bought here today. It could come here. It can come back down here too, though. So what we seeing today? This is the hour comes, it breaks above. You could have bought. There's a 4 hour or anything from here. Can't come to here. Granted, the stop loss will be major. Stop loss will be major because it could come here. I wouldn't believe the stop loss should come like even if you do buy, the stop loss shouldn't come lower than here. I'm not saying it can. It can come all the way down here. But if it breaks here, I mean the trade is just done. But most of the time, stop loss really just doesn't break. My boy, I was waiting for you, bro. Bro, I gotta tell you, yo, guess what happened to me, bro? So look, I gotta show you because I'm just explaining what happened today. So this what happened to me. Two bad things happened to me. It ain't even bad for real. So look, tell me how come I was in this joint. So you know, I entered this joint I think Friday or some shit. I think I entered Friday. I don't know. I entered one of these days, bro. Maybe Friday. Let's see. I entered this Friday. This joint Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. Market closed. I'm up like I think I was almost done. So when market opened, I didn't have no TP. I didn't have nothing. I swear market opened. Bro, tell me how come I was up like I look on FTMO. Tell me how come I was up 111K, bro. I was up 100 and I had my alert right here. I was up 11 and 100K. And that jump went all the way back down here. So I just exit. I went back break even, bro. Cause I'm at 109K. I was up 2K right here. It just never hit my alert. This don't never hit my alert. I was up. I passed the challenge basically. So I'm up 111K. Cause I look on FTMO, they say I'm up 111K. But that jump went back. And I was like, oh, I looked at it. I said, bro, I'm at break even. So I was like, let me exit because price already hit here. So I was like, if price already hit my goal zone, like my goal area, I'm not even gonna mess with it because it can just go back down. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I won't thinking, bro. I entered the jump Friday. I said, man, I know I'm gonna pass. Like I really won't been thinking. I just set an alert and I really forgot about it, bro. I really forgot about it. In all honesty, this pissed me off because I was going past step 2 with flying colors so easy just with this trade. Yeah, that's I ain't even mad though. I was like, damn. It's like I am mad because I was supposed to enter this today for just to pass step 2. Bro, no, another miss did happen. Bro, I don't FTMO fucking playing with me. I don't know what happened today. You couldn't enter US 30 or NAS today. I don't know. You could enter anything else, but US 30 and NAS. So, where was US 30 at when I wanted to enter? Yeah, it was about 10 o'clock. I think, yeah, it was about 10 o'clock. Once I seen this, I try to enter like a 2 lot. Try to enter like a 2 lot, like right here. I kept pressing 2. They talking about invalid, 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 invalid. So I'm like, what the hell? I think I need to update it. Oh, I think I need to update it. I think because they be. I think I need to update it. Oh man. Oh man. Now I see. I think I need to update it because it's contracts. I think. Let me see. I think I do need to update it. Let me see. Yup. I needed to update. Oh my god. I tried to enter this to. Oh my gosh. Yo, oh my gosh. Nas, let me add you as 30, bro. Cause I was trading a contract way. Let me see. Yeah, bro. Cause look, this was the contract one. And I was trading that, and they kept talking about invalid. And this is the regular, this is just a regular one now. That's why I was wondering why the pips is kind of like uneven. Bro, I'm mad as I ain't too mad because maybe I could get another entry but if it goes up, I'ma just miss it. I probably won't even trade this week. Yeah. I think I could get Nas because look what 30 hit highs. So when 30 hit highs, look, 30 hit highs. So Nas gonna catch up. So Loki, I can really just bang this bitch for an entry. But I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna just wait. If it drop and come back up, I'm gonna just yeah, bro. The only thing that pissed me off was this, bro. Cause GJ, I'm 100 for 100. I can't miss with GJ. I love GJ. I love GJ, bro. I love bro. GJ moves so fucking smooth, bro. It just do. And in all honesty, I could really just re-enter like right here. I can buy something right here. Because if it goes above here and stays, it's most likely I could just buy it. And then I just close out at break even. Like once it breaks above here, just buy because it's gonna break. It's gonna break this. It's gonna break this hard. But I want to pass the challenge before I buy this. It's a risky buy. I wouldn't really buy nothing like that. But like, I was going, and then like me, I would have just held it. Like if I came here, came back down, and it broke above, I would have just held it. I wouldn't have had bought it. Cause I'm like, all right, I know it ain't gonna come all the way back down to break even. But yeah, bro, I swear to God, I've been right for ever since like gold. I could have bought this. I just didn't. I could have bought this one right here. Remember, I was talking about this one. Bought here, hit here, then it comes back down. It bought here again. Comes like I said, the gold goes here to here. It's so fucking simple. It's simple. Yeah, it's gonna fly. Hell yeah. You already know. It's at least covering this whole shit. It's gonna come. I don't know how it's gonna come. Like I said, it could go like it can just play around a little bit. But granted, at the end of the day, it's gonna come here. It's gonna come here. At the end of the day, that shit is gonna hit here. I just don't know when. Like at the end of the day, I knew if I bought here, granted, if this was the lows, but the market be playing with people so much. Cause look, this is the lows before I was like, I exit. But look how I just wake out people and then come back in and then push right back up. Like it do that so much. Like the market played the hell out of people right here. Because this was my lows. I'm like, bro, if it go below here, it's not valid. It wicked, came back up, and said, fuck it. Nah, I knew It was buys right here. Like I guarantee, because I'm like, this wick the fuck out of people. And anything above here comes to here. And I just didn't buy because I think I was in GJ already. Yeah. I was in GJ already. So I was like, I don't like when this happened. I think Friday. This happened Friday. I was going to buy Friday, but I was already in GJ. I'm like, bro, I don't need 2 trades. Yeah, I was already in the trade. So I'm like, bro, it ain't no point to take this. It ain't no point. So I'm at 1,900. Just 1,900 flat. I was up 11. I was up 111. It was almost 112 at that. It was, bro, the jump was like, I was 2K more in profit. When the market opened, I just wasn't looking at the charts. I woke up in the middle of the night and seen it was like kind of break even. So I just exit. I said, oh my gosh, it hit the golden area. So I was like, let me just exit. Now I'm not been tripping, bro. I've been feeling very good. Like this whole year, I'm not trying to be funny. I felt like the best I ever felt in trading. I don't take a lot of trades. I probably took this whole year like 8 trades. Like 8. Yeah, I took like 8 trades this whole year. Like I remember I used to take about 70 in like 2 weeks. I really feel good because I know for sure if you just follow market, it goes here to here, it goes here to here, it goes like if you bought here, it goes here. If you bought here, it goes here. Granted, I don't know when, but it goes here. Yeah, I just don't even rush anything no more. Like I ain't gonna lie, because if I miss out on Nas, it really ain't nowhere else to buy unless I could get gold. Maybe gold at the up here to here. But the lows, I don't know what the lows would be. The low would be somewhere around here. It'd be like, I don't know what the low would be. This would be this could be like a secondary low, but I don't like that low. Like if it break above here, I want to see it like just keep breaking without breaking lows, and then I'll probably buy again. Gold is a good one. 30 is like I'm not trading it. 30, I think is gonna keep going up though. Nas is like super good to get in because 30 already broke. Nas, anything come to here, like I keep saying, anything that go to this gold zone, and it didn't break lows on a daily time frame. So it's gonna come here. It's gonna fill out. I don't know when. It can still come down, come up, but this is going to fill out. Like, cause it keeps doing it. Like, comes once you look, comes here, boom. It comes here. Granted, it comes down, but it is not breaking lows. Boom, boom, boom. It takes a long time. Boom. Comes here again. Boom. It comes here again. Boom. It comes here again. Boom. You just wait. That's why I was like, bro, trading is low key kind of easy. I was just doing some dumb shit, bro. Like I just won't be impatient back in the day. But when you really sit down and be like, bro, I can't trade every day. I really have to wait for a good setup. It's really easy. It was just a fact. You know, you want to see numbers. You making 3K. Like, granted, I could pass my challenge with flying colors ease, but I just enter a random trade, and that's what something I did back in the day. Man, I almost done my challenge. Let me just enter something real quick. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just wait for a good setup because it's my money. It's my money, and I'm thinking about going back. I'm gonna put more money in my real account once I pass this challenge, though. Yeah. I'm gonna do we trying to make big numbers, but I'm like, bro, I can make big numbers just being patient. Granted, well, it's been a little 3 weeks trading these accounts, but I'm really done. Hopefully, if I'm not even done this week, I'm just not gonna be done if I don't enter nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna be done 30. I'm Once I pass the challenge, I thought I was gonna be on step 2 this week. And I really think I was gonna pass this week because I'm like, bro, I'm gonna just buy Nas and then because 30 broke, and I'm gonna just wait till you get to 5,000. Because you only gotta make 5%. And then I was gonna put 2K back in my account And then every time I get a payout, I'm gonna just throw half my payout in my regular account. I'm gonna just throw half my payout in my like. I'm gonna try to get to like 10K. I'm only gonna start with 2K though. I'm gonna just get it to like 10. So my first payout, I'm not even gonna make none. I'm gonna just win a trade real quick, get a payout. I don't know, but if I do like the payouts, like if I get like 2-3 payouts, nigga, I'm gonna just buy another challenge. Yeah, that chain ain't coming. Oh, that chain might be expensive, but fuck it. But yeah, bro, that chain coming. But I'm gonna just keep funding shit. I'm gonna just keep funding the accounts. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another prop firm. I might just for the fuck of it. Like if I make like 3 payouts, I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm gonna just get like a 200K. Fuck it. I'm gonna just get a 200K account after that. That 200K gonna be smooth. But other than that, it's like you can't really trade every day. Oh, you can, but not me. How I trade, nah. I ain't even gonna tell people how to not to trade because some people scalping, they be a good as a motherfucker. I just can't do it no more. Yeah, I probably. I'ma just blow that. I ain't gonna lie, like, bro, I already know how niggas get. So if I get my account like high up, and I can withdraw at any time, it's gonna be to a point I'm gonna be like, bro, for this prop firm, let me just make like 40K. I'm gonna be like, bro, let me just make 40. We all gonna do it. Like I said, we all gotta experience it. I experienced having a prop firm, but once I have it, I'm gonna just get a small little $300, $400. Let me get my $400 and my money. Do they give you your money back? Hell, do. Give me my money back. I get $500. Well, I get $900 back. So I'm getting $900 off of it. I'm gonna just wait. I don't care. I'm gonna just let it come to like 300, 200. Give me that 300. Give me my $500 back. Y'all what? Take 20%. I take 250 with my $500 back. I'm feel cool. And then I'll probably just try to make like 2% on the account. So that's 2,000. If they could pay out every 2 weeks or weekly, I hope it ain't every month. I hope it's every 2 weeks. But if they pay out every 2 weeks, bro, I swear I'm gonna be good. Cause I'm gonna just try to make 2% every 2 weeks. 2% every 2 weeks, not bad. 2K, you get about 1,600, 1,600, about 3,000. Yeah, but I make like 3,000 off prop firms a month. That's not bad enough. I get half of that to my account. I might go crazy eventually. Like if I just keep smacking, I might have like a 6% 2 weeks or something like that. Yeah, about 4K a month. I'd be cool with that. Cause well, if I make 4K a month for a prop firm, that's like 10K. I'd be making like 10. That's all I really want to make. Let me make like 10K, and then I'ma just feed my other account, start making money off stuff like that, and then I'ma just branch off after that. I'ma just feed my account, keep trying to get money. I don't know. I ain't gonna say it now, but I think I am gonna buy another prop firm. If I keep getting payouts, I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm gonna just get another one. Fuck it. I'm gonna just give me the most expensive one. Give me 300K. I don't care. 300, 200K. I don't care. Just give me the most expensive one. Cause let me see what FTMO got. What's the most expensive one? Like that's only if I pass though. Let me see. I can't even believe FTMO came back. Let's see. Yeah, man. Let's see. What is the most expensive one? I'm trying to see. Okay, it's only a 200K one on FTMO. 200K one time payment, 1,200. Yeah, I do it. Yeah, if I pass, you give me my 1,000 back anyway. Shit. But yeah, I feel good, bro. Like I said, the only thing I'm waiting for now is Nas. That's the only pair I could trade right now. Because GJ, it already hit here. Like this already happened. So I gotta see GJ either break here off the hour. Look, it came here, boom, didn't break lows. I bought right here. It already hit this gold zone. So I'm like, bro, low key, I'm an idiot. It is gonna come up here. I'm tripping. I could have held. It's just a fact. It was already at 12K. That's probably why. I could have held because it's gonna come right here again. Oh my god, I could have held. I could have held. It's gonna come here. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, because this doesn't equivalent. Yes, this is this. This is this. It's an hour. This one is 4 hour though. This is the 4 hour. So anything from here goes to here. This is kind of new. So anything from here goes to here. But I'm already thinking it already tip here. It might not want to come all the way up here. So I just exit. Granted, I could have re-entered low key today. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I could have entered at 10:30. No, I couldn't because they didn't make no highs. No, I still won't have re-entered this. I ain't even gonna hold you. Yeah, I won't even have re-entered this. Yeah, I wouldn't have re-entered this because it's not really making no highs on a lower time frame. Because it could come, yeah, it could come back down one more time. I could see it coming down one more time again, and then coming back up. So hopefully it does come back down. Maybe I'll pass the challenge by then. Because the only thing I'm looking for is Nas. But granted, we're gonna put the jump right here. Because I thought it was gonna come here. I had the alert right here just in case. Because I was like, I'm gonna just close that break even, but I didn't know I was gonna have 12K. Yeah, I seen, bro. I kept saying I was gonna buy at 8 cents. This is cool. That shit just popped up. This joint went to 8 cents. I was gonna buy $1,000 worth, but I don't, for some odd reason, I still feel like crypto is gonna go down. Well, Bitcoin looked like it's still going down. I still think Bitcoin gonna go down. I got no faith in Bitcoin. Well, I got faith in Bitcoin. It's just a good time to buy right now. Like I think it got one more drop in it. Everyone, like I said, everyone is scared to buy. Like if you even buy now, it's good. Like you're good. You just have to wait. Yeah, just wait. Just wait. That's fit. Yeah, I think so too. If it goes below 50K, I don't know. But like if it honestly, yeah, I'm not even trying to joke. If it honestly go below 50K, like yeah, it went to 59. I think it's gonna go lower. Yeah, I think it's gonna go lower. I don't think it's gonna go lower than 50. If it do, that shit is gonna drop. Or I might just, I feel like it's gonna wick and then just pull its ass back. Like it's gonna play with people. Like it's gonna go like 50, then it's gonna go to like 45 or something like that. I don't know. The market could do anything. And then it's just gonna come back up. So if it does do that, you can still buy. If it goes lower than 50, well, really, let's go even lower. Yeah, I don't got it going lower than 50. If Bitcoin go lower than 50, that shit is going to drop, bro. I don't got it going lower than this. I don't got it going lower than this. I don't. I really don't. Not a bad. It's not a bad time to buy. Like Bitcoin is not a bad time to buy. Like I think it's gonna go lower. That's why I'm not buying. Like, but if you just throw like a little, even other cryptos, you can throw a little something in it. Like really, I should throw a little something in it, not my main jump. But I should be like, hey, I'm gonna throw a little 200 in Salon or 200 in Doge or anything, any altcoin basically. You can even Ethereum about to be $1,000 now again. Like, it's not a bad time to buy. I just think it's gonna keep dropping. I really do believe it's, but oh my gosh, it's gonna be so beautiful. This joint is gonna be so beautiful. But yeah, but just don't be, I just tell people don't be scared of crypto. It wouldn't be my first investment, but like if I had money, yeah, I just invest in it. Don't put your life savings in it, but you could throw a little something in it, throw a little 2 bands or something in it. Like, I'm doing it though, because I still feel like this is gonna go crazy. I think this is going. I said 8 cents. It might go lower, and even if this go lower, I don't know the structure of this, so I'ma just buy it. Cause I do believe it's gonna come back here. It came here what 2022, 21? I don't know. 21, 21. Yeah. I don't know. Salon, even Solana, I wanna buy too. Damn, I remember. When the last time I looked at I don't know, $1 in a minute. Hmm. Dropping a little bit. Well, gold. That's why I believe it's like everything dropping. So if you know everything dropping, gold is bound to go up. It's one of those. But yeah, so for gold, I can't do nothing with it now because I could have entered here. I could have entered here. I really don't want to enter again unless it kind of like show like bam, bam. I don't want to break and it breaks above here. I enter, but I think it's gonna break. Silver, I don't trade silver. GJ, low key, I could have held because it's gonna come here because it's not breaking lows. And look, this would have been another cool entry. I just didn't know where to enter on a lower time frame. Because look, it breaks. Like look, it breaks here. This is the higher time frame. It breaks again. You try. All right, so boom, it breaks again. Boom. I don't even know where to buy at. Like this ain't the best buy. Like you can buy here, but it won't be the best buy. You could have bought here today. You could have bought somewhere right here. Uh, Stop loss probably somewhere down here because granted it's gonna come back up. That's why I said just use higher time frames. You see it's in an uptrend. You buy here. You buy. Hmm, boom. Say you buy right here. You bought hit like this would have been a good buy for me, but it's fucking 6 o'clock. I'm not buying it. Make the stop loss somewhere down here. Somewhere down here. TP somewhere above here. Nice 101, but that 101 is like a 90% chance it's gonna hit. Yeah, this is clean because I only lost one trade on trading like this. When I give my stop loss breathing room, because you know where the market is going, like the market will tell you it's not going there. In all honesty, sometimes it won't. Like it'd be a chance, like the market be like, it go up, but it just fake your ass out. Like, but that don't happen very often. Like even on Nas, I just entered. This is the only one I lost. I just entered this bitch early. I didn't even. It's not even a fact. It went above the goal. I just entered early, and even If I didn't enter early, nah, this would have lost because look, it kind of gave me respect. This is my another buy zone and it came right back here. It just never broke above. So this would have told me get the hell out. Yeah, I just widened my stop loss. Like once I widened my stop loss, because that was my problem. Remember, I used to try to do like a 7R. Like that shit is not realistic, bro. I had to keep thinking that. I'm like, bro, that is not realistic. I keep trying to do these small ass RRs. I need to take this. I keep trying to do these small ass RRs. That joint is not realistic. Like anything that go above here, I don't know. It could keep going. So, and then if you go on smaller time frames, you could go off the hour. I knew it was gonna come down because it's a gap right here. Every time it's a gap in somewhere in like 30 Nas, it fails. It fails quickly. That's why I knew GJ was gonna drop. Like I seen a gap in GJ. Well, I didn't see it. I just knew it was gonna drop. Because look at this gap. It fails, it comes back up. Yeah, but if you know if you know the trend and just widen your stop loss, like this is not even a real hourly wise, this is the real stop loss. So because you would have bought here and just make the stop like right here, like a little bit lower. And really just buy here low key. And make this stop like a little bit lower off the hour. Because this is the hour. Uh buy here. Not really. It could go lower than this. You see this? This is the 4 hour, so it can somewhat come back down here if it wants to. But like I said, I'm gonna try to find better entries. So I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. Like I like how it's dropping today. So if it could keep dropping and not and it doesn't make lows like right here, because this is where it broke out. Boom, it breaks out here. Really, really, it breaks out here. So this is like a double breakout. But this is the hour breakout. So hour it breaks out here. But you know, it could come down. Like this one could come down from here and it can come back up and it can still get this in. Because this ain't the low. This is really the low. Yeah, I give it this the low. If you want to lower it, I'm not even gonna lower it. Like if you lower it, you can even say this is the low key. So boom, comes here. It could just I don't know. I'll put this one as the low. Just cause if it come all the way down here and just doesn't break that and then come all the way back up, I feel more confident. But if it just come here then go up, I probably wouldn't buy. But if it came all the way down here and show me it doesn't want to go any lower and come above, yeah. But like I said, sometimes the market just don't do that. So I just miss out on the trade. I'd rather be safe than sorry because I know 85% of the time it does that. I'm gonna win. Even with the wise a one-on-one stop loss. I take it. Because I know most of the time I'll win. But yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm waiting for most I got is NAS100 tomorrow. I gotta see what it does. Loki, I can buy here, but I'll probably be down for so much. Like, because granted, I don't think Nas is going down because 30, like I can't really say what the hell Nas is gonna do. US 30 broke high, so I'm thinking Nas should break high too, but it don't have to. Like I can buy it right here. It can still come all the way back down, but so I'm trying to just look at better entries. So this is a 4 hour entry, but most of the time I probably would, in all honesty, I probably tighten the stop loss. If I would have entered here, I probably would make the stop loss like somewhat like right here. Because I just don't believe it should keep going down. It can. It can. I'm not saying it can. This not even like It's just I don't want to put the stop loss right here. Like that's why I want to see some type of resistance or smaller time frame, and then I enter. Like if I enter off the 4 hour, this would just be it. It had to be something like this. It just had to be something like this. That's all for it. All for it. But if I could see price come down here and doesn't want to make lows like lower than this, and then it just breaks above here, I am more bound to enter. I would feel more safe to enter actually. Like if it comes down and comes back up, like it goes like pew, it doesn't break this, and then it comes back above. It's just showing you it's making higher highs. That's all it's showing you. Like I don't feel safe entering this, but if the market can come down, it come down and come back above this gold line, I will feel way more safe entering this to here and then to here. But if it, as long as it doesn't break these lows, this is the guarantee low till I switch all buy bias, like even off the daily. But if it doesn't break here, it's showing me, hey, boom, boom, it doesn't want to break here. But if I know every time I go above here, it comes here. Every time it goes here off the hour, it comes here. So I can buy. I'm not even gonna look at this. I'm just looking at this, and then it just goes. It's just telling me, hey, I don't want to break. Like, look, it comes here. I don't want to break. I don't want to break. So buy here, nigga. That's all it shows you. Look, boom, it comes above. Boom, I don't want to break. I don't want to break. Buy. It goes right back. So it's gonna fill this out. I just can enter now off a random, but the stop loss will be like bigger. Or I could wait till tomorrow, which I will do, and then just wait. That's all I'm doing. Just wait. Just wait till whatever market give me. It don't give me something I like, just don't trade it. I only took 8 trades this year. Like I said, I could have entered this, could have entered this. I wouldn't have entered these because I just don't like them. It happened too fast. But look how it works. Look, it works because I would have bought here, stop loss here. You could have bought here, stop loss here, bought here, stop loss here, even though it probably would have waked you out. I don't even use stop loss. I don't know. Maybe it wouldn't have wake me out. Because what didn't wake me out one time? I think this didn't. It was somewhere like right here. I don't know which pair was it. Oh, it's Nas or something. Like it waked me, but I was like, it's gonna come back up. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. I'm gonna be up here tomorrow. Hopefully Nas hit. I go on to step 2. GJ looking good. Hopefully. GJ, I probably could get something in, but I don't got none. I only just got Nas as an alert. Hopefully gold could keep breaking highs so I could I just want to pass because I know gold's got a nice setup going on. 30, I'm just wait. GJ, it doesn't either. I know gold has a nice setup. That's why I want to get 30 out the way. No, Nas and gold has the 2 nice setups I'm waiting for. Because this is Nas and this is gold. Gold can completely go up here. The stop loss will be it'll be like right here, but I would just make it lower just in case. Low key. Yeah, I'll just make it lower. Or you could wait till it pop out and then make a jump off the hour, but I like the 4-hour one. The 4-hour one is just like long-term holding. And then you could just like pop in entries like I did with GJ. Like 4-hour, you see anything above here goes in, but this was a gap, so I knew to enter early. Enter here, enter here. I just kept entering, just keep entering because I know regardless, this is the hour break. Boom, it comes here. So I knew anything above this will comes here. It's just so simple. Like it comes here. Look, anything above here will come here. So it goes above here, it comes here. As long as it doesn't break trend. It's long, but if it break trend, it tells you when it went. Like so, say it came down and it kept going down, you wouldn't know not to buy. And then it kept making lower lows, you just know not to buy. But look, the shit is not making no lower lows. Like, look at this shit. That's why GJ is probably one of the smoothest ever. It's not making like, look, it break. This is still a bullish trend. It's just retracing. Boom, boom. It comes here. This is where it broke out at. Anything above here will go here. Boom. Buy here, goes here. Boom. Anything above here goes here. Anything above here goes here. Anything above here goes here. It's just simple. You just have to. It just takes a long time to wait. The waiting is so. It's just waiting. That's it. Cause I waited here. Let me see. What else I waited on? I waited on this one again. Cause I'm like, all right, doesn't want to break. And it's showing me like it kept showing me it didn't want to break because it goes up, it doesn't want to break, it keeps breaking high. So I'm like, okay, I can buy here because it doesn't want to break. And this is a wide stop loss. So I'm giving it grace. And boom. Anything, if this is the hour though now, boom, anything comes here, here. It's not guaranteed like this because this is the 4 hour, but it can come here. Like you can see how it's not breaking. It's not breaking lows. Like it's not, it doesn't want to go down, but anything above here goes to here. Like granted, it can come like boom, boom, boom. It can play around, but most likely, I'm not saying guaranteed, but most likely it's gonna come here. It's not guaranteed though. Like nothing is guaranteed in this market. Markets just say "fuck you," boom, and then drop. But most of the time, to make money is that. But yeah, I'm done with this, man. I was talking for an hour, man. Man, we gonna have to do some chart work or something, man. Bring people back. I don't know. I'm gonna start. I got like 2 TikToks I'm about to post right now, and yeah, TikTok is show love. Because I barely post, but if I could just keep posting like them other niggas, that'd be my problem. I'll post sometimes and then I'll just be like, I'll post in like 4 days. But if I could just do like a everyday post or like just a routine post, I could get it right. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. And I'm out of here, my boy. Tap in tomorrow.